What if I told you that diabetes doesn't actually start with sugar? And what if the real problem begins years before your blood sugar ever becomes high? Today I'm going to break down exactly what happens inside your body during diabetes in a simple visual way, so you'll finally understand what doctors actually look for, why early symptoms are often missed, and how this disease quietly damages almost every organ if left unchecked. Let's make diabetes make sense. What diabetes really is. Most people think diabetes is just too much sugar in the blood, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. Diabetes is actually a disorder of insulin, the hormone produced by the pancreas that moves glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. For years, sometimes even a decade, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin. This is called insulin resistance. When this happens, your pancreas works overtime, pushing out more and more insulin just to keep your blood sugar normal. So, in the beginning, your blood sugar is normal, but your insulin levels are sky high. This stage is called compensated insulin resistance, and it's the silent beginning of type 2 diabetes. When the system breaks, eventually your pancreas simply can't keep up. Your insulin levels begin to fall, and suddenly glucose starts to rise. This is the moment when blood tests finally detect a problem, pre-diabetes. If this continues, the pancreatic beta cells become exhausted and damaged, and the body enters type 2 diabetes, where blood sugar is consistently high. High glucose is toxic. It attaches to proteins, damages blood vessels, stiffens arteries, and triggers inflammation throughout your body. That's why diabetes isn't just a sugar problem, it's a vascular disease. What high blood sugar does to your organs. 1. Brain. High sugar inflames small vessels, increasing the risk of a stroke and accelerating cognitive decline. 2. Eyes. The fragile vessels in the retina begin to leak, leading to diabetic retinopathy, blurry vision, and in severe cases, blindness. 3. Heart. Diabetes speeds up atherosclerosis, hugely increasing the risk of heart attack, even if cholesterol is normal. 4. Kidneys. The filtering units become scarred. Microalbumin appears in the urine years before kidney failure develops. 5. Nerves. Excess glucose damages peripheral nerves, causing numbness, tingling, burning pain, and loss of sensation in the feet. 6. Immune system. High glucose weakens white blood cell function, increasing infections, from skin infections to UTIs to pneumonia. This is why doctors worry. Unchecked diabetes affects nearly everything. Why symptoms are so easy to miss. Early diabetes often has no symptoms. Your body slowly adjusts to rising sugar levels. Then, one day symptoms appear suddenly. Excessive thirst, frequent urination, sudden fatigue, blurry vision. But by this time, the disease has usually existed for years. The good news. The most fascinating part? In many cases, early type 2 diabetes is reversible when the body becomes more sensitive to insulin again through weight loss, exercise, better sleep, and metabolic control. Insulin demand drops, the pancreas recovers, and blood sugar can come back down. Even in advanced stages, diabetes can be controlled extremely well with medication, lifestyle changes, and regular monitoring. Understanding diabetes is the first step toward preventing it. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more simple medical explainers and let me know which disease you want me to explain next.